understand. And understanding doesn't just come from asking your customer. It comes from listening. And how do we listen? Well, we define it as customer signals. So we use a number of methods for doing this. We use analytics. We use predictive modeling. We use behavioral inferences. Those are the things that customers are telling you without actually vocalizing it. And that, by the way, is more valuable because it's more readily available to you than someone going into a preference center. The preference center and preference communications is extremely important because that's your best. Volunteered information, of course, is your most accurate data. But you're not going to always have that. So there are abilities to use this inferential data to help you understand your customer. Okay, so the question was, based upon this concept of inference versus volunteered information, how do you handle the conflict that could exist between what somebody says versus the behavior that somebody does? The thing that pops into my mind is the study that said almost everybody believes that 55 miles an hour speed limit is a good thing, but almost nobody follows it. Right? How do you deal with that conflict? Well, the answer is, the short answer is, there isn't any one answer. It depends upon the situation. So if there's highly strong evidence that an inferential activity is going to be positive, we'll act on that, even if the volunteered information doesn't necessarily say that. We won't go in conflict, though, with the volunteered information. If a customer says, I don't want to be targeted with this kind of a message, we don't do it. We respect the individual's choice. That's key. You have to respect the individual. Even though it may mean you don't get to do a marketing message that you really want to do. It's not about us, folks. It's about the customer.